Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're doing a vlog. I am going for the off-road challenge in Lukenya, and I was just finishing to get ready and I noticed my face looks a bit dry. So hello. So as I was saying, I was finishing to get ready when I noticed that my face looks a bit ashy. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but so this is the first time I'm wearing makeup in a very long time. Like in the 2 to 3 months that I've been doing acne.org, I think I put on makeup only twice. So I've kind of gotten used to my face without makeup. So now I'm actually self-conscious, like, have I forgotten how to do makeup? Do I look right? Am I matching? So I'm just doing this setting spray. So I'm doing a lot because I feel really dry. So this is the setting spray I use, Colourpop All Star. So yeah, hopefully that will settle in well. At least the good thing with setting spray is you can it's never too much. So I've told you guys we're going to Lukenya today. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm doing denim on denim. No, not denim. Denim on denim. I still haven't decided what shoes I'm wearing. I really wanted to wear my white shoes, but I'm thinking that's not a good idea in those dusty areas. So I'll probably just wear the bedazzled ninis, gomas. I'll show you guys. I'll probably do a full photo or a full video of the outfit just so you guys can see. So yeah, we'll catch up in Lukenya. Hey guys, sorry I look crazy. So I was doing my makeup for a video, a haul that we are doing, and I decided, I don't know what has beat me. I don't know what that is. It's itchy. Anyway, so as I was saying, I have decided that I'll just come up here and catch up with you guys. So today is Wednesday. We vlogged on Sunday. So yeah, it's been all those days without passing by to say hi, and it's because I haven't gone anywhere the past few days. So I just wanted to update you guys on a few things that have been going on. First and foremost, I didn't stop uploading. I have told you guys a couple of times, I don't know if it has registered, but I am just the worst at procrastinating. I am a procrastinator, and I know, and I'm trying to change, but we shall see. So I have been procrastinating these videos for the very longest time, but finally today I have time, and because hopefully tomorrow I'm supposed to start something new, which I will update you guys again on another video. This is the last chance I actually have for filming this video, so I am a last minute person. And let me just raise this a bit higher. So as I was saying, I am a bit of a last minute person, which is why I'm doing this video the day before I get no time. And so yeah, we're just catching up. First of all, let me just give you guys a skin update. We are currently on month 3, and I haven't gotten any new pimple. Yeah, I was going to say that I haven't gotten any new pimple. I don't know what this is, but it's not a pimple. So far my skin is really smooth. I have actually put on sunscreen and then moisturizer, which is why my face looks kind of pale. Looks pale and oily at the same time. So I have put on moisturizer, and okay, so I was saying, yeah, I haven't gotten any new pimple, which is very good compared to the time when I was getting a new pimple like 5 new pimples every day. My skin is so smooth, I can't believe. Like, there's no texture on my face, it's really just smooth. And then I hope you guys haven't seen my nails. And then I'm still using the acne.org product. The only thing that I've added on is sunscreen, because the only thing right now that I'm working on is my spots, which are fading really slowly. So I decided to add the sunscreen, which I really don't like, because it leaves that kind of whiteness on your face, and the people who sold me this told me that it won't, but I'm so disappointed. So this is the Bio Balance. The only thing I liked about it was that it was SPF 50 plus, and it was 1500. So I thought that was a bargain, but I'm actually regretting the purchase. Unless I don't know what I can do to make it not turn white. I don't know if I'm making any sense. But yeah, so because the spots are fading, but very slowly. So I've been thinking of upping my dose of glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is the one that's supposed to exfoliate your skin somehow, and you can get back to your brightness and the spots fade. Another thing that I have noticed is my skin color keeps changing. As you can see, my face does not match my chest, which at some point my face was the lightest part of my body, but now it's not. So most of my foundation actually doesn't match my face. Let me just show you guys. So I have a couple of foundations here that I use. At some point I was using the Fit Me 355 and 360, and then I bought this 360, which is much lighter than these two, but I noticed at some point also was matching my skin. And then I moved to Susie Beauty, which is darker, so at some point my skin got darker, which I feel like is now where my skin is at. But for the longest time I was using the Revlon Color Stay in color Cappuccino. Yeah, so this was my color before I started the acne.org process. which I think I can just try and show you guys. Just a small sample. So that's just a little bit. So that's Nini Revlon, which matches, but I don't know, I feel some way about it. And then there's the Suzy, which is what I currently use. I feel like that matches a bit better because it's darker than the Revlon. Anyway, so I'll show you guys a video of me skipping. If I haven't, I'll just insert it here. And I am trying to get back to my fitness journey. So I've had an implant for the longest time, since I think after 6 months after I gave birth, I got the implant. And honestly, it hasn't been a really good experience. But the only reason that I didn't remove it is I've just realized I forgot to put primer. But it's okay because I won't wear it. I want to wear this makeup the whole day. So as I was saying, what was I saying? Oh, so I had the implant for, I've had it now for maybe 4 years. And the thing that I noticed was that I gained a lot of weight. This is the biggest I've ever been in my life. So I am actually the size I was when I was pregnant with Zari, which doesn't make sense. So I removed the implants because I work out. I work out quite a bit. I skip, like I showed you guys, and I have been doing that since January. On and off a bit, maybe off for 1 month, but generally I have been working out a lot. I have been doing intermittent fasting. Yeah, I have been doing intermittent fasting. I have been eating healthier. So it just wasn't making sense why I am not losing weight. And then the acne came along, which I also didn't understand. But I was told that those could both be as a result of the implant. So I decided to try that out. It's only been a couple of days since I removed it. I think I removed it maybe a week ago, maybe 10 days. Maybe 10 days, yeah. So far, some good changes I have noticed. I've noticed I'm not bloated, I'm not craving food, I'm not hungry all the time, which was weird because my body was used to intermittent fasting, but there are times that I was just hungry, which I didn't understand, because it was so strange to the point where I had to deworm because I wasn't understanding what that craving for food was. Yeah, so now I don't know, I'm losing my train of thought. Yeah, so now I have removed my implant. I have gone back to exercising. I am not yet doing intermittent fasting because I am on medication. I have been sick for a while, and then I was told that I had H. pylori, which is basically just like ulcers, but it's not the way we used to think it, more that ulcers is caused by stress. So I'm on medication for that, which I have to eat. So the medication, it's only for after meals, so I can't do intermittent fasting right now. And then I'm trying to get rid of carbs slowly by slowly. I don't want to jump into anything because if I jump into something, then I leave it pretty quickly. So yeah, that's basically it. So I don't know if you guys can see, but at least this color kinda matches with my chest. Yeah, so that's basically it. So I'm trying to get, so what I'm trying to do is to skip every day. Okay, not every day, maybe 5 times a week, and then do about 1500 to 2000 skips per day. I'm really hope, like, skipping is the only workout that I actually enjoy. I don't know, the thing that I discovered about weight loss is I think that you have to enjoy what you're doing. There are people who enjoy really going to the gym and it makes them feel better, but for me, gym is just the worst. I don't think I ever enjoy going to the gym. Like, you know how some people, you go to the gym and then you just feel like after the gym you just feel fresh and you just feel like you've had the best day of your life, you're relaxed and everything. I don't feel like that. In fact, if I go to the gym, I can't do anything afterwards. Like, I'm just too tired, I'm just too worn out. But then the thing about skipping is I can skip 2000 skips and just take a shower and walk out and go about walking around town or do anything and not feel tired. So that's what I enjoy. And plus, it's also just interesting skipping. As much as it's for weight loss, it's also just interesting learning skips. I get to listen to podcasts, but mostly I listen to sermons. That's the time I take to listen to sermons. So that's also a refreshing bit about it. And then, gosh, I've just noticed that I've been talking for 13 minutes. I hope that 13 minutes is actual talking. I feel like I've just been rambling. So that is actually my makeup. I don't know how to do like crazy, like I do minimal makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to do makeup. So I have some Huda Vamp left that I want to put on. But it's so over. This is not going to work. Let me try the crayons in ink. Red, which is Kenyan Girl. Today I'm in a red mood. Yeah, so that's basically it. I feel so weird wearing red because I'm not used to wearing screaming colors. I basically just wear either purple or nude, like nude for my color. So yeah, that's basically it. Now I want to shoot the whole video, and I guess we'll just catch up later. If this vlog is not in long enough, I'll add more if I go anywhere. But I want to start a new vlog for what I've told you guys is happening tomorrow. Like, I'm starting a new step of my life tomorrow, which I'm excited to share with you guys. But if I don't add anything else, then let me just say goodbye. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess, or the next day, I don't know. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys come back for more. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.